Hey, what's up? Sammy here. Today we are going to take an in-depth look at the Huawei Nova 9 Pro. This is a phone made for those who love creating videos and taking selfies, but at the same time don't have a team to help with. We tested almost everything about the camera and a bunch of the cool stuff. Should it be beautiful to watch? Because we have our beautiful partners Eva and Xiaoyuan in the video. Again, special thanks to them for providing the content. Please subscribe to their channels. Links are in the description. Let me walk you through all the specs first. The Huawei Nova 9 Pro comes with a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. The screen comes with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch sampling rate. The chipset is Snapdragon 778G. The phone sports a 4000 mAh battery that supports a 100-watt super fast charge using the bundled charger. For the camera specs, at the front, the Huawei Nova 9 Pro carries the dual selfie camera setup. It includes a 32-megapixel ultra-wide shooter and a 32-megapixel portrait shooter. The selfie camera setup is also paired with AI-backed image stabilization for 4K 30fps videos. Around the back, the Pro features a 50-megapixel RYYB main sensor alongside an 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle snapper and two 2-megapixel modules for micro shots and depth tracking. It also supports 4K stabilization. Enough about all of that, let's check what's new about the camera. First, of course, is ultra-wide angle and real-time AI beauty. Finally, people don't have to stare at your big head when you're taking selfie videos. Second is the dual video mode. The cameras record the front and back footage at the same time. Super convenient. What's more, it has a feature that we really like, which you can seamlessly switch between the front and back camera whenever you want. Well, other phones don't have this feature. Every phone should add this. To my surprise, the front camera supports time-lapse video as well. Awesome. Another great feature I have to mention is the Harmony OS 2. If you are taking videos by yourself alone, then you may have two issues. One is to start or stop recording. The second is the voice recording. The Nova 9 series have solved perfectly. You can use the Harmony OS watch to start or stop a recording. You can even switch between the selfie and back cameras. As for voice recording, you can use Huawei's earbuds as well. Speaking of audio recording, here's the magic. Your voice will be changed automatically and accordingly when you zoom in or out when taking videos. Check this out. I haven't seen this on any other phone. Lastly, I have to mention Nova offers numerous templates for video editing. You just drag and drop your footage, and then your cool, fancy video will be ready to share. How cool is that? Yes, basically that's all the new stuff, and if you're wondering about the camera quality, here we go. Let me know if you like the phone. Will you use this phone for your video making, and could be this your first Harmony OS phone? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Later!